Hey there. Welcome to my channel, where we inspire you to live your best life. Today, I want to talk about one of my favorite YouTubers and how you can achieve success like him. Ali Abdaal is a doctor, entrepreneur, and YouTuber with over 2 million subscribers. He's known for his inspiring content on productivity, habits, and personal growth. Today, I'll share with you 5 secrets to living a high-achieving life, just like Ali Abdaal. Before we get started, let me share a quick story. A few years ago, Ali Abdaal was struggling with his medical studies. He felt overwhelmed, burned out, and frustrated. But he didn't give up. Instead, he started experimenting with different productivity strategies, such as time blocking, the Pomodoro technique, and habit stacking. He also started a YouTube channel to share his journey and help others. Fast forward to today, Ali is a successful doctor, entrepreneur, and YouTuber. His channel has over 2 million subscribers, and he's a role model for many people around the world. So, what can we learn from Ali's story? Let's dive in. The first secret to living a high-achieving life is to focus on your strengths. According to research, people who use their strengths every day are more likely to be happy, engaged, and successful. That's because when we use our strengths, we feel more confident, motivated, and energized. Ali Abdaal is a great example of someone who leverages his strengths. He's good at teaching, writing, and public speaking, and he uses those skills to create valuable content for his audience. The second secret to living a high-achieving life is to set clear goals. According to a study by the Dominican University of California, people who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. That's because when we set clear goals, we have a roadmap to follow, and we can track our progress. Ali Abdaal is a master of goal setting. He sets SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, and uses tools like Notion and Trello to stay organized. The third secret to living a high-achieving life is to build good habits. According to research, about 40% of our daily activities are habits, not decisions. That means that if we want to be successful, we need to build habits that support our goals. Ali Abdaal is a habit-building machine. He's created daily habits like journaling, meditating, and exercising that help him stay productive and focused. The fourth secret to living a high-achieving life is to learn from failure. According to a study by Harvard Business Review, successful people see failure as a learning opportunity, not a setback. That means that when we fail, we should analyze what went wrong, learn from our mistakes, and try again. Ali Abdaal is no stranger to failure. He shared his failures on his channel and talked about how he learned from them. The fifth secret to living a high-achieving life is to surround yourself with supportive people. According to research, our social networks influence our behavior, attitudes, and goals. That means that if we want to be successful, we need to surround ourselves with people who support our dreams and goals. Ali Abdaal has built a community of supportive people around him. He's created a Facebook group and engages with his audience on social media, which allows him to connect with like-minded individuals and build a supportive network. So, there you have it, 5 secrets to living a high-achieving life, just like Ali Abdaal. Focus on your strengths, set clear goals, build good habits, learn from failure, and surround yourself with supportive people. These are all strategies that Ali Abdaal has used to achieve success in his life, and they can work for you too. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about progress, not perfection. Don't compare yourself to others, but focus on your own journey and your own definition of success. And most importantly, enjoy the process. Life is too short to be miserable. Find what you love, and do more of it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content.